Hi guys, my name is Steven, and in a video I made a little over a year ago, I unboxed our EZVIZ 1080p 4-camera, 4-channel security system. And then the following year, I did a 1-year follow-up review that I uploaded in the spring. It was in April or May, I think. Anyway, those two videos did pretty well actually in terms of viewership and comments and likes, and I got a few subscribers from those. So based off of that initial boost of confidence, I said, hey, what the heck, and I wrote a note to EZVIZ's marketing department, and I got a response back from their e-commerce sales manager, Ken. And Ken was gracious enough to say, hey man, yeah, I think you did a good job on those videos. You're interested in a partnership? Cool, why don't I send you some product and you can do an unboxing and a review video for it and tell us what you honestly think about it. So that's exactly what this is. This video is not sponsored by EZVIZ. They did send me something in exchange for a couple of videos, unboxing whatever it is, and my honest reviews on what that particular product is. I have no idea what it is yet. It just came today in this UPS box. Let's pop it open and see what it is. All right, let's see what we got. There's the pull tab. Here we go. Right. We have an EZVIZ Mini Zero Plus. Can you see that? There's a glare. It's so shiny. EZVIZ Mini Zero Plus, or Mini O Plus. I'm not sure. I have to look it up exactly how they want to pronounce that. It is, let's check it out. Model number CS-CV206. A full HD indoor Wi-Fi camera. It has full HD high definition video. It says full HD 1080p, night vision up to 25 feet, two-way audio, that'll be a lot of fun. Motion detection alerts, view from anywhere, and it's got a picture of a little iPhone or a smartphone. A micro SD slot with up to 128 gigabits of memory available. The EZVIZ Wi-Fi setup, magnetic base easy installation, and secure cloud recording, optional. The function is only available in certain countries. Please verify the availability in your area before you purchase. The product reserves the right of final explanation. No, the producer reserves the right of final explanation. Cool, let's check it out. Get out my handy dandy Bear Grylls package opener. Yeah, this is one of the best Christmas presents I've ever gotten from my brother-in-law. So let's check it out. Here's the camera tucked away inside of its little case. It's got a little plastic covering protecting the plastic work on the interior. And we'll pull this guy out. Here's the camera itself. And the quick start guide. Whoa, oh, that's the magnetic base. So on the back of the packaging this is a piece of steel presumably, and the bottom of the camera has got a magnet on the interior, and that's how it was keeping it held together to the packaging. It's pretty neat. Put these guys together, and I'll just put this on there for right now. So it's got a place. Comes with these two little sticky pads. I'm assuming that that's how you stick. Oh, I bet you put one of these sticky pads on this metal bracket, you stick that to your wall. Holy cow, I can't get it off now. Holy cow. Yeah, there you go. You stick one of these sticky pads, it's double-sided, to this metal bracket, stick that to the wall, and then this just magnets itself on there. I'm gonna keep these apart actually, because it was really tough to get that off. That magnet's really strong. And the base has got a little swivel to it. Swivels around, cha-cha. Comes with a USB cable for charging, I guess, the power, and the power brick, the power adapter here, with a USB plug on the backside, and a little EZVIZ logo. Can you see that, camera? Yeah, there you go. Awesome, I'm excited to try this out. Let's check out the Easy Start Guide, or the Quick Start Guide. The EZVIZ there's a missed opportunity there. Instead of calling it the Quick Start Guide, EZVIZ can call it the Easy Start Guide. EZVIZ Guide, Easy Start, Quick, Easy, anyway, something. There's a thing there. There's a pun in there somewhere. Check it out. Let's see. Power it on by plugging it in. Create a user account. Connect your mobile phone to Wi-Fi. Download and install the EZVIZ app, which I already have from my wired security camera system here in the house. Be sure to check out those unboxing and review videos. Cool, I guess let's do it. I want to try it out. Holy cow, this cable is long. This box. It just says 1 USB cable in the box. It doesn't say how long it is. I don't know if that's something people would necessarily care about. I kind of do personally, mostly out of curiosity. Well, no, if I wanted to measure it, you know, when I'm buying it and shopping for it, I definitely want to know how long the included power cable is in case I need to buy a longer one, or if I'm, I don't know, maybe looking at buying a whole other camera altogether. Plenty of power cable here. Cool. Step 1, plug the power cable into the camera to the power adapter, and then into a power outlet as shown in the figure below. The LED indicator will flash red and blue when the camera is ready for setup. So let's see. A little hard to get to that guy. It's blue, it's red. That's it. So now we're gonna go into our EZVIZ app, which I already have. From the home screen, tap the plus button, which is here at the top left corner. Plus. Oh, cool. There's a QR code right here. That's the QR code that we're gonna scan with the EZVIZ app here on the phone. This QR code is so tiny, my phone's camera, I guess, isn't that great, and it's having trouble focusing on it when it's large enough to see all of the individual parts of the code. Oh, there we go. No, never mind, we got it. That was easier than I thought. And then I have to enter in my Wi-Fi password. Adjust phone to high volume, put phone close to camera. What the heck was that? That was so cool. It just played some kind of diddly 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 dee sound, which is pretty neat, and it's used that to configure itself. So it says, oh, let's check this out. It says, your device Mini O Plus has been added. You can see the X4, that's all my wired cameras. And let's check out, oh, we have to upgrade the firmware. Cool. Upgrade. Upgrade now. You can see my big dumb face. But yeah, you can see me looking at the camera, looking at my phone, looking at the camera, and looking at my phone. Here you go. Cool. Cool. Well, I'm excited to try it out. I'm gonna take a few days with this little camera in the house and use it under some practical, real-world scenarios. Get the audio function working, use it to conference call with my wife, I guess, when she's home and I'm not. That's always fun to me. And I'll post a follow-up review after that. Thanks again to EZVIZ for sending me a Mini O Plus. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you have any questions about the Mini O Plus, please leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to check out my follow-up video and all the other ones coming after that. Thanks, see you next time.